Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the basics while taking immediate action. Sign into your Apple ID and confirm verification. This prevents authentication errors. Next, test the network. Switch Wi-Fi off and on, or try cellular, then load a web page to confirm internet. Once done, update iOS, Mac OS, or the iTunes app so certificate and protocol mismatches are removed. These 3 steps eliminate most preventable blocks. Make sure each completes before moving to the deeper troubleshooting. Once prerequisites are current, dig into networking and system settings to resolve routing and certificate issues. Forget the Wi-Fi and reconnect, or renew the DHCP lease so the device obtains fresh network parameters. Make sure date and time are automatic. Incorrect clocks break secure connections. Swap DNS to 8 to bypass ISP DNS problems and temporarily disable VPNs, proxies, or firewalls because they can block Apple's servers. Try the iTunes. To finish, perform account and app refreshes that clear cached auth problems. Sign out of your Apple ID, fully restart the device, and sign back in, then open the iTunes Store. If it still fails, reinstall iTunes on a computer or reset network settings on the device to remove stubborn configs. If problems continue, note exact error codes and take screenshots. This single troubleshooting tip speeds diagnostics with Apple support and prevents repeating steps you already tried.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.